Hello fellow learners, we're here now in another set of quadratic trinomial expression that needs to be factored. And we have number 4 for the next video that we have, and that is 15x squared minus 17x minus 4. Then the other one for number 5 example is we have 8x squared minus 2x minus 3. And the other one for number 6 is we have 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. So this is our video lessons that we need to be factored in terms of how to work out with this using the diamond method. Hope you enjoy it. Hold on yourself. So let's have here our given example, that is 15x squared minus 17x minus 4. So let's try to recap first the value of a, b, and c, since the given example is quadratic trinomial expression. So the given term here, the a here is 15, the b here is negative 17, then the c here is negative 4. So trying to recall that with the use of the diamond method, the left side of here is the value of ax, which means the value of 15 and the variable x. And the right side as a factor sum is we have also copied from the left side, which is 15x. So here it goes. We have here 15x, 15x, then the other one is another 15. So then the upper portion is we're going to multiply the value of a and c. So since the given is 15 and negative 4, so multiplying them, so we have 15 times negative 4, the product is negative 60. So we can put the negative 60, the product of it, here on the upper portion, while on the lower portion is the value of b, which is negative 17. So what does it mean by this? So we're going to look for the factor of negative 60, that the sum should be negative 17. So we're trying to work it out. So let's have number 1, let's say 2 times negative 30. The product of this is the negative 60, so but the sum of this is negative 28. So we could, then the other one is we have negative 2 rather times 30, and we have negative positive 28. So it could not be happen as our possible factors in getting the value of looking for the factors of negative 60, because the sum is 28 for the number 2 and the first one is negative 28. So let's try another one. We're going to exhaust everything that the factor should be negative 60. So let's say negative 3 times what? 20. So we have positive 17. So since this one is negative 70 as the value of our b, so the number 3 is cannot be fitted or cannot be suited for what we are looking for. So let's say we could interchange the sign. So let's say 3 times negative 20, and so we have negative 60. Okay, that's no, not that one. Excuse me. I have to erase this. So this must be this should be negative 17. So as you notice that we have now here negative 17. Same here on the lower part. So the factor should be 3 and negative 20. Okay. So we are now on the next on taking the value. So what would be the next thing to do is that the 3 must be written it here on the denominator part of the 15x, the left side of the left side part, then the negative 20 be written here. So what we're going to do now here is just to simplify further. So 15x is and 3 is divisible by 3, so this one becomes 5 and this one becomes 1. Then we have now 5x over 1. Excuse me. We have to erase this. This one is we have equal to 1. And then this one is divisible by 5. So this is 3. And this is negative 4. So we have now 3x over negative 4. So in this manner, if we're going to have the answer of this, so we have the first factor is 5x over 1, so which means copy the 5x in the numerator, and then the 1, which since that one is positive, so plus 1, and then the other factor is 3x. Then since this is negative 4, so this is minus 4. If we're going to check further, so we have 5x times negative 4 is we have negative, is that correct? 5x times 3 first, we have negative 15x, then 5x times negative 4 is negative 20 x. This must be 15x squared, and then 3 times 1 times 3x is we have 3x. 1 times negative 4 is we have negative 4. I rather use the FOIL method, so this is 15x squared. Negative 20 plus 3 is negative 17x, and then minus 4. So now we could now claim our answer is, and for the factor of 15x squared minus 17x, minus 17x minus 4 is 5x plus 1 times the quantity of 3x minus 4. So the next one is we have number 5 example, and that is 8x squared minus 2x minus 3. So we could now say that our value of a is 8, the value of b is negative 2, and the value of c is negative, this is our c, which is negative 3. So using the diamond method, so let's have here 8x, then the 8x, since we have ax for the left side values, since our a is 8, and then 8 times negative 3, 8 times negative 3, and so we have negative 24. Then copy here the negative 2. So we're looking for the factor of negative 24 such that its sum should be negative 2. So let's say 2 times negative 12. So its sum is negative 10. So it never happened. Even if we're going to interchange the signs, it's still the same with 10. So let's proceed to 3. 3 times negative 8. So this is negative 5. So if we're going to interchange the sign, let's say negative 3 times 8. So we have still the same with 5. Okay, look, we are still looking for, we are going to exhaust everything that needs to have a first product of negative 24 such that its factor should be fitted to the negative 24, and its sum of the factors should be negative 2. So we have 4 and negative 6. So its sum must be negative 2. So here it goes that um, we have now a suitable factors, which is 4 and negative 6. So we are now on the working out the 4 and negative 6 as its factors. So we're going to write the 4 here, the left side, and the other one is negative 6. So as we work on it, we have now divisible by 4. This is 2 and this is 1. So this one became 2x over 1. Then the other one is divisible by 2. So this is 4 and this is negative 3. So we have now simplified fraction is we have 4x over 3. So the possible now is we have copying the first factor 2x 2x plus 1 because it is positive, the denominator is positive, and we have the denominator and the other part of the factors is 4x, then the denominator is negative 3. So as we check it, this one using the FOIL method, so we have now 2x times 2x, and we have here 8x squared. Okay, 8x squared. 2x times negative 3, and we have negative 6x. 1 times 4x, and we have 4x. 1 times negative 3, and that is negative 3. So in this manner, so we have now claiming that the product is 8x squared minus 2x because it has an unlike sign here. Then copy minus 3. So we could now claim that the factor of 8x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 1 times the quantity of 4x minus 3. So let's proceed now to another set of example, that is 6x squared plus 11x plus minus 10. So what we have now is try to get the value of a, which is 6, the value of b, which is 11, and the value of c, which is negative 10. So using the diamond box or diamond method, so we have here ax. So since it has a value of a as 6, so 6x here, and then we're going to multiply the 6 and the negative 10, so we come up with negative 60, and copy the b, which is 11. So we're looking for the factors of negative 60 such that the sum must be 11. So let us try to work 4 and negative 15. So this is negative 11. Okay, so if we're going to interchange the sign, so this is negative 4 and 15. So we have now 11. So we could now get easily the value. So in this manner, we could now claim that the factors is negative 4 and 15. Then after which, we're working for the factor be written in the first part of the left side, which is negative 4, and the other one is 15. After which is we're looking for simplifying this. This is divisible by 3. The 6x over 15 is divisible by 3, so this is 2, and this is 5. So the simplified fraction now is 2x over 5, while the other one is divisible by 2, so this is 3, and this is negative 2. So the simplified fraction now is 3x over negative 2. Why do we need to have that? Because the negative sign is one of the things wherein it triggers our factors in the given quadratic trinomial. So the first one is 3x minus the oval over negative 2, so we have now 3x minus 2, while the other one is 2x plus 5. So if we're going to check further, so we have here 3x times 3x, and that is 6. Okay, let's say, see, hold on. Let's say 6x squared, then 3x multiplied to 5, and that is 10x. No, excuse me, 3x times 5, and that is 15. So 15x, then 2, negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x as the product. Then negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. So working it out, so we have here 6x squared. Combining like term, the 15x and negative 4. So we have positive 11x as the sum. Then bring down negative 10. So we could now claim that the given factor, the factor now of the given expression 6x squared plus 11x minus 10 is just the same as 3x minus 2 times the quantity of 2x plus 5. So if you have tried to work it out, wanted to know further about mathematics, all you have to do is just to like, share, and follow. Don't hesitate to have that, because we wanted to share learning for the others. So hope you enjoy it. For the next, see you around for the next discussion.